Hey guys, happy Friday. Lo here with Sequist. Today we're going to talk about Instagram for your service business. Now, Instagram is super important for many reasons, but two of the top ones are this. First, every day there are 500 million users on Instagram, and some of those are your ideal clients. So you want to make sure that you're posting, that you're engaging with them, and that they're seeing your brand. Second is that big brands like you and like other businesses, 86% of them, they're on Instagram. You don't want to be that 14% that's left behind. So today we're going to talk about post ideas, a strategy for your posting, and I'm going to give you some last minute tips and tricks. So first, some post ideas. So a few things that you can do to get started, and you can even start that today. You can grab your camera, create some graphics. So the first is your work. Show off your skills, show off your expertise. People want to see before and after pictures. They want to know that who they're hiring is awesome at what they do. So really show off your skills. The next is you and your team. When you include faces in your post, you can increase your engagement by 39%. So take pictures of you, take pictures of your team, what you're doing in the office. People love that. The next is holiday celebrations. When you make posts about holiday celebrations, they're very relatable, they're very positive, and you're likely to get more engagement. The next is funny, lighthearted graphics. This can include inspirational quotes, maybe some memes, anything that's positive, inspiring. And the next is positive press. So if you get an award from Angie's List, or if you just, got in the paper, or you had a great press release, include that. People want to see that. Lastly, client testimonials. I'm certain there are clients out there who are raving about your services and about what you do. Reach out to them, ask them to give you a video, ask them to send you a quote. I'm sure they'll be happy to do that. And it builds trust, and it makes people believe that you're awesome at what you're doing, and they're more likely to work with you. All right, so you have all this awesome content, you have your camera, you're ready to go, and now what do you do with it? So there's this awesome rule of thumb that I encourage you to follow. It's the 4-3-2 rule of thumb. So if we're looking at your Facebook feed here, these are the 9 posts that you see. In these 9 posts, you want to mix it up with these 3 items. You want to do 4 posts that add value and help others. So tips and tricks on how to, improve their air quality in their house or something like that. 3 posts that create connection. These are positive posts, posts of you and your team, showing your faces, things like that. And then 2 posts that promote your services and your brand. So if you're running a coupon at that time, running any specials, that's the time to do that. By creating this content mix, you're easing them into your brand, you're easing followers into getting to know you, and then they're more likely to convert later on. All right, so some last minute tips and tricks. All right, use your Insta story. The Insta story is crazy, it's a little scary, but post in there, challenge yourself to post in there like twice, 3 times a day. People look at those stories. You will be very surprised to see your numbers and to see who's engaging with you. Like others' posts. Just like you worked hard on your post and you want people to like your post, like other people's things. They'll most likely return the favor. Use trending hashtags. Do not underestimate the power of hashtags, okay? Depending on your post and your service, your industry, utilize hashtags like HVAC, business owner, bathroom remodel, something like that. Because when people are searching hashtags, they're in a great state of mind, they're looking for that, they're more likely to convert. Show them what you're doing, show them how awesome you are. Tag big brands. So this isn't done as much as it should be, right? So when you're doing something awesome, when you have a really great post and something you're really proud of, tag Angie's List. Grab their followers, bring them over to your business page, and by doing that, you can increase your engagement by 56%. So I highly encourage you to tag big brands. Lastly, tag your location. By tagging your location, you can increase your engagement by 79%. So tag your city, tag your office, tag where you are, and you'll be likely to attract more likes, more followers. If you have any questions ever at all, as always, please reach out to us. You can call us or email us at askatsequus.com. I encourage you guys to tag us, tag Sequus on Instagram. Show us what you're doing. We'll be excited to see it. Have a great weekend.